It can be hard to find pots in just the right size that fit your style. Why not use some of your old mugs and turn them into pots? Not only can it save you a bit of money, but you'll also have some quirky, unique pots for your plant collection. You can either choose to put a small nursery pot inside the cup or make a drainage hole yourself. For these cups, we've chosen to drill out drainage holes so that they can fit larger plants. Wrapping the bottom of the cup with tape can minimize the chances of it cracking while you drill the hole. Be careful not to apply too much pressure when you're drilling, and spray water onto the surface as you go to keep things from getting too hot. You can also use this method to drill holes in decorative pots you'll often find at the store. Once the hole is drilled, all you have to do is pot up your plants. Make sure you add the correct pot type in Planta so that you'll always get accurate watering instructions. These are porcelain or glazed ceramic, which will hold in more moisture than other types of pots, so it's important you update your plant's profile. Don't forget to water after repotting. Place them somewhere sunny and they're ready to go. Thanks for watching, and from all of us at Planta, happy planting!